I've been pondering a couple questions. Question number one: do people prefer egg birds or meat birds? Some people prefer to just get meat birds. Some people just like the egg birds. You can get actually birds that are multi-purpose, so they use them for eggs and then you can use them for meat. Some birds are just specifically for laying eggs. Some are just specifically for meat. I know different people, it depends on your background what you think of this question. The old famous one that everybody talks about, right? Which comes first, the chicken or the eggs? In my personal opinion, I don't know. I don't know what came first, the chicken or the eggs. There we are, we're on the crossroad. We are on the crossroad. Hi, Shoulda. This is Shoulda. She's a little bit of hellion. She's the one that keeps breaking the fences, don't you? You keep running through trying to break fences, Shoulda? Hey, buddy. Kind of looks like a mule. I got some good stuff this morning for them chickens. Pancakes, sausages, there's some eggs. They love eggs. To see what these chickens do with their pancakes. Okay, look, chickens. Look what I got, chickens. Look what I got, chickens. They're attacking me. Pancakes. They love the pancakes. Well, geez, can you bring this for us every day? Another day with all these fantastic birds. I just love to stay with my chickens all the time. They're friendly chickens. They're fluffy chickens. They're fat. Right, Fred? Right, Bob? Right, Lucy? Tim? Holly? I'm just shouting out names now. They're all named, but I don't know what their names are. Look at those beautiful clouds behind me. Couldn't ask for a better day. I got my little... Now we gotta go in there and open up and grab that tractor up. Oh, get some sunshine in here. Oh, it's tight. It's tight. It's tight. It's tight. Woo. That's a big door. Gotta take a breather. Here's my nice tractor over here. Look at that, baby. This old girl, for being a 1974 Leland 255, that's right, a UK brand. Do you think it'll start? I sure do hope so. Kill button is in. Let's turn the key. It wants to start. Oh, look at that. It wants, oh, maybe not. Close. There we go. And we're out. That is very loud, eh? Let's calm that down a little bit. And it's done. Hi, could I get a large black one sugar? Yeah, I thought of getting meat birds, but I don't know. We've wanted to get cows too, for the same, well, for meat. But I don't know how I feel about raising it. Oh yeah, 10 minutes. Yes, some of that chicken dinner you're having from KFC is roosters. They just go around and do bad things to the hens. So I think, in my personal opinion, the egg birds are the way to go. Putting the chickens away, gonna do an egg count. We got them some hamburger and some garlic bread, and of course some fresh water. What are you guys up to? Look at this chickens. Look what I got here. Is these my hamburger? You gotta sneak in that other door if you want some hamburgers. These ones are you, ladies. Lock that up. Guess what I got for you, ladies? I got some fresh water here. Want some garlic bread? Let's see if we can open this. Of course, it's on really tight. I don't know who made those containers, but they're good. Here, you want a piece? Take it. Take the whole thing. They like to play the game of grab it and run, and all of them take off after it. It's pretty funny. I'll give you some of this garlic bread because I don't know if you want any of this hamburger, but you probably do. How about this? How about this chicken? They like to play a game of take it and run. Take it, run. They all chase them. There we go. Grab it, run, puffy cheeks. Go. Old Raymond's in the lead. Take it right off after the cans. He's loving it. All right, you chickens. All right, you chickens. You coming in? I got some stuff for you. What do we got here? Easy now. Be careful. They're running with it. Take it. No, they rather have the stuff in the bowl. Sure, take that one too then. I got something better. I got some meat patties. I know you like this. Yo, Robert, get back here. Meat patties. How about you there, Pearl? We'll grab up a curtain and we'll do an egg count. Times how many eggs do you think we'll get today? It's a little different every day. We're going between, I don't know, 11 and 13, I think it's been. So, comment on how many you think we're going to get today. Let me grab this. I think I got some cartons in here. All right, here's our first spot. Oh, look at them all. Now that's cool. Let me get this in here. We got one green, one brown, one green, one green, one brown, one brown, another brown, and another green. Gee, that was a pretty good haul right there. 9. How many chickens do I have in here? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think I counted that right. 14. 9 out of 14 isn't bad for a day, right? Now we're going to go in the other one here. See what these ladies have done. Oh, look at that. That's all gone. They're just giving her. I have to throw some grain in there for them. All right, we'll check this one. We got 9 so far. What we got in there? Nothing. We haven't got nothing in that one. We're at 9. We need 4 to get 13 like we did last night. I think it was 13. So, will we get our 4 for 13? Look at that. 4 eggs. Right on the ball. Look at the size of that blue one. It looks white, but it's actually blue. Light blue. Look at that. That's a nice sitting egg. Big. And there's another brown, brown, and brown. So, ladies and gents, there's our eggs for the night. What's up, Fred? Hey? Good bird. You're a good bird. So, yeah, we got 13. I hope your guess was correct. Check us out. Another day, we'll have another egg count. Chicken soup with Grumbles. Until next time, what an awesome meal. Take care. Chicken soup with Grumbles. I love how it makes me feel. Chicken soup with Grumbles. She loves it every time. Chicken soup with Grumbles.